Hi, today we are going to talk about capacitor. A capacitor stores electrical energy in the form of electric charge, and its ability to do so is called capacitance. Capacitance measures the amount of charge a capacitor can store per unit voltage applied. Capacitors are essential components in electronic circuit used in power supplies, filtering, timing, and coupling applications. It is a two-terminal electronic device that stores electrical energy in the form of electric charge within an electric field. It consists of two conductors, usually plates, separated by an insulator which is called as dielectric, such as air, mica, or paper. The dielectric allows the plate to hold equal and opposite charges. Now, how capacitor work? A capacitor is a basic electrical component that stores electric charge as electric potential energy. It consists of two conductive surfaces such as plates or spheres separated by a dielectric material like air, glass, or plastic. A capacitor is an electronic component used to store electric charge. When a voltage is applied, a charge builds up on the plates. The amount of charge stored depends on its capacitance measured in farad. Now, farad is a basic unit of capacitance. Now, which is affected by the plate area and the distance between them and the dielectric material. Now, if you see, the capacitors are categorized into two ways: variable and fixed capacitor. Now, fixed capacitor whose value cannot be changed by the user, and variable capacitor, the values can be changed by the user. Now, what is capacitance? Is nothing but the capacity of a capacitor to store your charge. It is called as capacitance. So, you can say it is a property of a capacitor. Now, Q is equal to CVV. Say Q is a charge stored, C is the capacitance of the capacitor, and V is the voltage applied to it. So, charge, if you see, the unit of that is coulomb, capacitance in farad, and voltage in volts. This is a brief idea about the capacitor. Now, if you see the units of capacitance, again it is in millifarad, that is 10 is to minus 3, microfarad 10 is to minus 6 farads, nanofarad is 10 is to minus 9, and picofarad is 10 is to minus 12. So, this is the unit of capacitance. This gives you the brief idea of capacitance.